Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now. First, back up the console NAND and profiles so you can restore if needed. Plug your Xbox 360 HDD or USB into the PC, then extract the current startup image using an image tool and 7-zip. You'll need the raw bootanum, bin, or dashboard splash files. Once done, open the file in an editor that supports layered images and preserve dimensions and format. Make sure you note exact pixel size and timing, because the console expects precise values. Now you'll modify and prepare the replacement. Edit frames at the exact resolution and timing. Don't change aspect ratio or frame count. Export using the format the dashboard expects, then repackage and recreate the bootanum. Bin, calculate or copy the checksum so the console accepts it. Next, use a trusted injection tool or homebrew exploit to write the new file into the NAND or dashboard folder. Make sure the tool shows a successful write. Finally, flash the modified NAND or swap in the new dashboard file, then power cycle the console to test the startup screen. Watch the sequence closely. If it hangs or shows errors, power down and restore the original NAND from your backup. Do this right away to avoid bricking. If problems persist, double-check the image resolution, file format, and checksum, and reapply the sign patch or use a different injection tool. These checks fix most common failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.